Found a BSF file on a Blu-ray disc structure and curious what it contains? These are information files used in Blu-ray disc structure. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain these Blu-ray disc information files. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the BSF format, but we'll attack the top issues first. A BSF file is a metadata file used by Blu-ray discs, containing information about the disc's content and structure. Users typically encounter these files when exploring the contents of a Blu-ray disc on a computer. They are not meant to be opened directly, but are used by playback software to navigate the disc's video streams. The BSF file format is a binary file containing stream attributes and other metadata for the AV stream files, M2TS, on a Blu-ray disc. It is part of the BDAV, Blu-ray Disc Audio/Visual specification, and is designed for rapid parsing by hardware and software players to ensure seamless playback and navigation. For managing BSF files, the best dedicated software is CyberLink Power DVD from CyberLink Corp. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows presents only basic details, so the file's structure must be accessed in a dedicated tool. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's signature. Right-click the BSF file and click Open With. Test CyberLink Power DVD if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If the BSF file is still refusing to open, it's expected when the simple solution doesn't stick, so let's get technical. We are moving straight into these three focused troubleshooting steps now. First, reading with Blu-ray Players. BSF files are processed automatically by Blu-ray Players during disc playback. Insert the disc and the player reads BSF metadata along with other structure files to present menus, chapters, and navigation. Standalone players and PC software like CyberLink Power DVD handle this transparently for users. Next, analyzing with BD tools. Use specialized Blu-ray analysis tools like BD Info or TS-MuxCR to inspect BSF and related disc structure files. These tools display detailed information about disc contents, stream specifications, and structure organization. Such analysis is useful for ripping backup creation or technical evaluation of Blu-ray disc encoding quality. Finally, editing for disc authoring. Use professional Blu-ray authoring software like Sony Blueprint or DaVinci Resolve's authoring features to create custom Blu-ray structures with appropriate BSF files. The authoring tools generate proper disc structures from your video content menus and chapter definitions, producing playable Blu-ray discs or ISO images. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.